How's it going, guys? Danny with King Automotive. Today I have a 2015 Toyota Tacoma in for some major upgrades. For the audio, she's going with two DS18 Redcones and a pair of DS18 Pro Tweeters amplified with the Nemesis 1600 4-channel amp. For the exterior, she's going with the 3-inch lift kit. For the wheels and tires, she's going with the fuel ammo in the bronze color wrapped in Cooper AT3 all-terrain tires. When we're done with this, guys, the taco is going to be real spicy. Stay tuned for the after.